Nothing to play for in this exhibition game. These 90 minutes will help get the team in shape. Both managers have picked strong lineups today. No real surprises. This then how the home team is lining up. And here is the away team formation. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Volleyed on. This is Busquets. Passing with confidence. So, a free kick then. Confident pass. Cuadrado. Finds his teammate. Sends it long. Now Ramos. Oh, really good passing now. They've won the ball back again. He's getting back inside. Mbappe. That's nicely played. Perfectly executed. Oh, confident. He could be punished for that mistake. Oh, he must score. It's Messi. Oh, quality defending there. Great ball. Sterling. Shoots. Well taken by the goalkeeper. Striker's ball. Good distribution. That's good link-up play. They're moving the ball about so well. Passed well. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Well intercepted. Mbappe. Confident pass. Just to keep it to beat. Pulls the trigger, and that is a fantastic goal. The replay will give us a closer look. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal is going to affect this game. The referee checks his watch and he blows the half-time. They've made just one change for the second half. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. Oh, this is good stuff. Good ball. Mbappe. He got a good hand behind that. Let's see that one again. Matic with a shot. Not the best effort there. The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to a goal. Good distribution. Great dribbling. Great chance here. Tries his luck from distance. Mbappe. And Matic. Lovely passing here. And Matic. Oh, and dispossessed there. That's good link-up play. Passed well. Ramos tackles. Neymar. Passing the ball really well. Confident pass. Sterling. Perisic. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. The manager is bringing two players on. Players then warming up on the touchline, but is it time for a change? Oh, he's well offside. Intercepted. Hoisted upfield now. It's back with the goalkeeper. He steps up to steal the ball. Neymar. Finds his teammate, Neymar. Surely now. The referee calls play back for an offside. Well played. And he's given possession away, and it's not a good tackle at all. Oh, and it's the first card of the day, and it's yellow. Well, the fourth official has indicated 4 minutes of stoppage time. Well, he needs to be hitting the target from that distance. Well, let's have a look at that one again. A few minutes of stoppage time to play then. This is good stuff. That's nicely played. That's a rare poor pass from this. There we have it, full time in this friendly, but the true tests are still to come for this team.